our colleagues will take you to go to have lunch. Okay, so for this part, oh sorry, okay, I forgot to introduce myself. Okay, I think someone have sent me yesterday, right? And someone that don't send me before, right? Okay. I'm SoFi. This is my English name. My Chinese name is Shui Shaonan. Okay. I come from Chengdu in China. Okay. I work in the Huawei IT department. Also, for my job, I am responsible for the storage, server, and cloud parts. Okay, that's my main field. Okay, so that's why I'm here. Okay, so I'm so glad to have a chance to stand here. Okay, to meet you, all of you guys. You know, in these 2 days, I feel so happy. I feel that you are so gentle and so friendly. So I think for this chance, for everyone, I hope you can enjoy this trip. Okay. So okay, let's go to the topic. In this section, we will include 4 parts. Sorry. Okay, 4 parts. The first one is the Huawei ICT role, and the second part is the cloud computing contents and trends. Okay, and the third one will go to introduce the Huawei cloud computing solution, and the final one will go to introduce the Huawei training and certification service. Okay, that's all the sections for this part. Okay. So let's go to the first one. Before I start this one, I want to know how many people know the cloud computing technologies. Someone work in this field? Yeah. Oh yes. Okay, lady first, please. You work in the cloud computing? Before?
Yes, you can have any resource you want automatically. You don't need the resource to go for it, buy it and hardware, take months to get it running. Now, in just a little amount, you can have a VM running with massive resources in just a few seconds.
Yes. Very good. Okay, I think very good. So, okay, let's go to in the topic now. In the first section, we mainly go to introduce the history of the cloud computing technologies. Okay, so in this page show the ICT empowering transformation and upgrade of the traditional industries. Okay, so you can say in the first duration, this is very the mechanization, and when we go into the second duration, we make some the change. Okay, we from the mechanization go into the electrification. Okay, and in the third generation, we go into the automation. Okay, now this is the fourth startup. Maybe someone know what is the IoE? IoE.
Internet of everything.
Yeah. Do you know the IoE standard the modern life? Okay. Before how to say? Before when your family staffs or your working staffs, this is the independent, okay, working independent. But now everything can be connected by the network. Do you know? That's the main spirit of the IoE. IoE means in this years we can make everything together. And how to say, like your cars can connect into the internet, and you can connect your home stuffs or your cooking stuffs, like everything. Okay, that is the IoE. Okay, so when everything is connected by the network, so we can get the not of the data from the stuffs. Okay. This data can come from your personal data, like your phone call, like your chatting records, okay, like your writing papers, like everything, okay, data. So if you get not all the data, and you want to get some of the values things from this data, if you don't use the data, this data is code. When you analyze this data, you can get some of the values information from the future data. Like, for example, if I buy so many the stuffs from the mall, and the sellers can analyze my habits, my buying habits, and analyze my this three is the very important concepts in the cloud computing. Okay, do you know what is the IaaS?
Infrastructure as a service.
Oh, very good. So what is the PaaS?
Platform as a service.
Oh, okay. What is the SaaS?
Software as a service.
Very nice. So, okay, I will give you
Extra point.
more difficult questions. So, in this concepts, okay. What is the IaaS? Okay, in this concept, in this components, okay. What are the IaaS? Someone can tell me? Yeah, yes.
Storage, networking.
Okay, storage,
And virtualization.
network.
Yeah,
Already.
Okay, servers. Okay, enough.
Yeah, it's already there in the.
Yeah.
Already
Sure.
there.
Lady.
Infrastructure as a service.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Actually, the infrastructure as a service, there's two parts. Part provided by the service provider and the other used by the client.
Mm-hmm.
If it is employee or outside, okay? Let's say the service provider provides the hardware, networking, storage, and servers, and with the virtualization platform on top, like OpenStack, like VMware, like Fusion Compute, okay, like many different, okay, for example, and then the operating system, okay, the customer can select from different flavor of operating systems, even if the Linux or Microsoft or SUSE, whatever, okay, and the other part, the red part, manipulated by the customer, he can use whatever middleware he wants, like Active Directory, like Exchange server, like SQL server, things like that. And runtime, run applications also like Java, things like that, okay? And this is wrong. The data should be up of the application. The application then data, okay? This is wrong. The application also, the customer can select what application he wants to use inside the virtual machine, okay, and he can manipulate the data. And platform as a service is used actually for development. For development, if a company like Microsoft Azure, okay, they have services like website. You can have a website already customized and ready to use on their website. Okay, you just need to host the application and the data on top. And software as a service, it's like Gmail. All the layers managed by the service provider. Only the user, because it's wrong, because the only user can use the data. Okay, data he can use on top of the software as a service, like Exchange as a service, like ERP as a service, CRM as a service, things like that. Okay.
Yeah.
yeah, you are right.
Same material.
Just the one thing, you say that this picture is
Examples are the
is
same.
wrong, right?
Examples are the same.
Yeah, we know they pick standard the platform, right? Yeah, platform. Okay. So for the data and applications, maybe the applications and the data you can think about like this. You know the container.
What contain inside?
Yeah, container.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You mean Docker, like Docker?
Yeah, like
yes.
Docker. Yeah. This application data, you can think that's is not the normal context. It looks like the Docker, the container. Okay. This parts.
I have experience on OpenStack, Docker, KVM, OpenVZ, and VMware. We can use whatever flavor we need for containerization or VM also in the application, and can host the VM inside. Software as a service, most of the companies are providing like email services, like email, Google, these companies. But the main players for infrastructure as a service, like Amazon, like Rackspace in States, okay, like also Huawei, they have also cloud.
We should have this kind of lecture before the exam.
Microsoft Azure.
And then no one will speak.
These questions?
No, like there was, they didn't ask the simple questions like this, but there was a PDF. So the whole PDF, I think he studied first and then he taught the students.
It depends.
So if this lecture would be before the exam, he would not have opened his mouth because he did not want other students to study.
Okay. The middle course is platform as a service. If they want development platform like managing database or something like that as a platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service if they want to host a cloud environment, because before it was silos, okay, like unmanaged colocation or colocation. Now it could be virtual machines, okay, with micro-segmentation in between in the infrastructure as a service.
Yeah, you are very right.
But the only mistake, the data should be up of the application. Application should be done in this picture, okay? Because the data will be manipulated, not the application. Or application below and data on top.
Yeah. From your perspective, maybe it's right. Yeah, because the way we read this just to think the data is not the customer's data, okay? It's the system's data. So that's why we think is a different way. Yeah.
On the internet, if you search of some sources like this is Microsoft source, because Microsoft, most of the customers are manipulating the application. But if you go to the OpenStack or VMware, you can find the data on top of the application. But in both cases, the parts will be manipulated by the customer. But in software as a service,
cloud like the development, okay. Also deploy some service on the public, like the meetings, like the sales website, like this service with deployment, okay. So that's hybrid is the mixed, mixed with these two cloud, okay. So many huge enterprise choose this one, hybrid, okay. And for the hybrid can work in the intranet and the internet. Okay, can work in the two internets. Okay, this is the mainstream types for the cloud computing. In next city, okay, and you can pay per user. That means if you build a cloud computing environment, you can pay some money to rent the VDC or VRC like this. Okay, you don't need to build the whole DC centers. Okay, like this. And for the powerhouse for the cloud-based IT transformation, okay, this is the values for this transformation. You can say efficient, agile, reliable. Okay, this is the computing. And for the enterprise IT cloud transformation path, you can see this is the three paths for the enterprise IT cloud transformation. The first one is a private cloud, okay. And the second one is a hosted private cloud. And the third one is a public cloud, okay. Do you know what's the difference between these three types? Yeah. Oh, sorry. We need to change the location now.
Actually, I'm teaching these things.
Yeah, please share your insurance to us. I can say you must work in the IT field so many years, right? Yeah, I know. Oh, you have this.
Actually, I'm teaching these courses in Oman.
Oh, okay.
And we have national data center in Oman, and we are providing most of these services. Okay, the difference between private and public and hybrid cloud. Okay, in the public cloud, all the users can access like Amazon.com, Amazon ICT too. Okay, IC2. They can access and they can have anybody can access the public cloud and use their services. In private cloud, you especially use in enterprises or government entity that they don't want their data to be shared or to be hosted outside their premises. The hybrid cloud, it's a combination between the private and the public cloud. If the customer they have private cloud, but their resources from storage, networking, and servers is not enough, they can expand their private cloud VMs to the public cloud and by using SSL connectivity, secure share.
Going to the cloud 3.0 now. Okay. For the cloud 1.0, this one is the basic virtualization infrastructure. Okay, that means I think so many people know the VMware ESXi, right? This is the virtualization software. You can use this one to virtualize the server's resources, right? And maybe someone use the VMware?
Yes.
Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah. Okay, and for the resource-centric, this is working for the cloud 2.0 generation. Okay, for this one, you can say the OpenStack, like Sir said. Okay, for this one, we can use the virtualization to define the software resources. Okay, and then we are in the cloud 3.0 now. We are here. Like the Docker is a container. Do you know what is container? What can we use the container to do?
For applications?
Yeah.
Yeah, applications container. You want to say something?
Container is just to put the thing inside, to save the data and applications.
Yeah, Pat is right. Container is like the frame.
Yes.
Yeah, like a frame.
To put everything inside.
Yeah. Like all the applications, the package, you know. Okay. You know, when we want to build some applications where you need to store software one by one, actually this is so waste of the time, you know. And if you use the container, you just go to get the container and download the container, and then you can put your application site and you can use it quickly. Okay. That is we usually use the Docker platform to do the development in the agile iterations, like this modules. Okay. Do you know the agile iteration?
Microsoft. What is it?
This is also very popular the development modules. Agile.
Agile. She's saying agile.
Do you know this word? Smart, yes. Actually, before
I'm
the
waiting for software engineering.
This is very long flow. If you want to finish the one project, if you use the old development model, you only wait to spend 1 year. Like they spend 2 months to make a plan for the needs. Microservice. Oh, sir. And in as long as you work in the IT field.
Actually, it's similar. Actually, it's similar to microsegmentation and the virtual machine. Okay, but this is inside the container that you can separate the policies and rules inside the container. Okay, and you can apply it based on templates for customers. Okay, inside the container itself. Okay, microservices. So that you can have, let's say, firewall policies, intrusion prevention system policies.
So, actually, the virtualization, usually we use the virtualization software to visualize like the independent, the physical machines. And okay, we want to convert so many the physical machines together. We build the converted resource pools. And okay, and we put so many the machines together in one room. We build a cloud center, okay, data center. But now so many customers cannot be satisfied in just one DC, okay. So they build so many DC. So many DC want to work together. They must go to build the distributed environment, okay. Like if you build the distributed the cloud DC environment, you can do like the backup environment or the active environment, like to protect your data. Okay. Go to the cloud 1, cloud 2, cloud 3. Okay. For the cloud 1, it means the virtualization, and for the cloud 2 means the virtualization plus the automation and orchestration, and for the cloud 3, that is the final one. This is what Huawei works here. We work in here. Okay, cloud native and PaaS. Okay. And this is our the Huawei cloud products name. Cloud, this one. This is the Huawei cloud products solutions name. This one. And for this one include like the Fusion Sphere. The Fusion Sphere is one kind of cloud computing software. This function is similar like the VMware ESXi, like this. And also include like a Docker container or the access. Okay, for the cloud architectures, Huawei's cloud computing architectures can support this three features. Okay, openness because we can support the third party okay software like the Hadoop, OpenStack. This is the open resource. Okay, we can support all of this. And Docker and Spark, all the mainstream open resource, okay, resource softwares, we can be supported in the Huawei's cloud products. Okay, so for this one, also can contribute to the open resource. Okay, like this. So that means if you build the Huawei's Fusion Cloud solution in your environment,